Hello, you're about to participate in a Unit 5 assessment. Before we get started, make sure that you have your white paper that looks just like this, as well as a pencil. And of course, any math tools that you believe will help you to be successful, such as some manipulative, counting bears, a number line, whatever you use to persevere, that's quite all right with me. At this time, I would like to remind you that you can stop the video at any time. If you did not understand the question or you want to go back and hear the question, please rewind and stop and then push play so that you can hear the question again. Thank you, and I do know that you will be successful. So let's get started. First, put your name on your paper that looks just like this. Then let's put our date on our paper on this line. Once you have done those things, let's move on. Question number 1. We're going to choose the best answer. Count by tens. Which letter shows the number that goes on the line? Is it A, 61? Will that go on the line? B, 70? Will that go on the line? Or C, answer 79? Which one will go on the line if we're counting by 10? So we're starting at 10. Which will go here? The number 2, I will call you up so that you can count for me. But if you wanted to practice, we're asking you to start counting at 10, and from number 10, you're going to count to 70. Starting at 10, count to 70 by tens. I'll call you up at some point and then you'll be ready to count. But if you wanted to practice, go ahead and count for me. And also, if you wanted to write the answers, you can put those there. Now on the back of your paper, you'll see number 3. Number 3, shade in 2 correct answers. So you have 2 to choose from that are correct. Which 2 show numbers that are more than 5? Is it A, the number 2 is more than 5, B, the number 10 is more than 5, or C, the number 7 is more than 5? Keep in mind you're going to have 2 answers that are more than 5. Number 4, fill in the missing numbers. So you're going to start writing the missing numbers. I've already put the number here, 1, and then you need to fill in the blanks. Number 5, circle the objects that are alike. Draw an X on the one that is different. Once again, circle the objects that are alike, looking at the balls, and then you're going to put an X on the one that's different. Number 6, count the cats. Here are your cats here. Write the number to tell how many. So you're going to count them and then you're going to write the number to tell how many. Number 7, sort the hand lens below by their size. Place an X to show how you sorted the hand lens. Sort the hand lens below by their size. Write the number of each on the line. So find how many you have here and write the number. Then you're going to find how many you have here that looks like this one and put an X on the, place an X to show how you sorted the hand lens. Number 8. Count the balloons in each group. Here's a group and here's another group. Circle the group that has more. So first you're going to count how many you have here in this group, and then you're going to count how many you have here in this group, and then you're going to circle to show which group has more. Number 9. Draw a shape that is made up of 2 triangles. Draw a shape that is made up of 2 triangles. Draw your shape right here. You have to use 2 shapes that are made up of triangles. Number 10. Put an X on the shape that does not belong. Put an X on the shape that does not belong. So you're going to put an X on this one, or this one. Once you put an X on the shape, here at the bottom, you're going to explain why the shape does not belong with the other ones. Why did you put an X on that shape? And here's where you're going to write why you put an X on that shape. That is the end of Unit 5 pre-assessment. Once you are done, you may bring your paper up to me, and then we'll go from there. If you're not done, keep in mind you can always go back, rewind, stop, and play again. Thank you, and have a great day.